guys, welcome back. I'm Maria Brown. The first thing to know is that everything needs to be cold. It's not like humidity or a hot house, and everything should be cold. So I'm going to start with 2 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter. Unsalted butter is really better for baking. It's got a different consistency than salted butter, and 3 tablespoons of either margarine or shortening, and it should be chilled. Keep your shortening in the freezer. And then lastly, we need 1/4 cup of ice water. So this is very chilled water. I measure a 1/4 cup, and then I put ice in it. Now we're going to start by putting the flour and the salt in the food processor. 2 cups of flour, add the half a teaspoon of salt, and we're just going to pulse this for a minute. And next, we're going to add the shortening. The consistency looks like a chunky flour. If you don't have shortening or margarine, just go ahead and use all butter. Put that in, turn that on for about 30 seconds. Okay, now we're slowly going to drizzle the water in through the top. Don't put the ice in, just cover that up so it doesn't go in. This to spin and turn into a ball. That's it. Now it's in a ball. So the next thing we do is just put this on wax paper or saran wrap and flatten it out. Try not to touch it much with your hands because the heat is going to ruin it. And then we're going to pop that in the refrigerator for at least an hour. You can use something like a rolling pin to flatten it out a little bit. Now this is enough for a double crust. Now we're just going to pop that right in the refrigerator for at least an hour. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm Maria Brown.